See, this is the question number, this one. Okay, this is the question number 5, in which this is the figure 6.17. Here POQ is a line. This POQ is a line. After that it is written ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Now ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ means this is 90 degree, and we can also take this entire as 90. Okay, now after that it is written OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. Now this is ray OP and this is ray OR, and this is ray, so we have to make an arrow over here. Okay, then this OS is another ray which lying between these two ray. Now you have to prove that angle ROS means this one, angle ROS, this one. Okay, this one is equal to half of angle QOS. QOS means QOS minus angle POS means POS. Now what we have to do in this? As we know that these two are equal to each other because it is given in the question that ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, means it means both are equal, means both is equal to 90 degree, means this one ROQ and this POR both are equal to 90 degree, means these both are equal. Now what you can do, because we need one thing here. Okay, if you have seen this ROS means this ROS, we need this much of, and one more thing is there QOS. So how we will get QOS? When we add this SOR, you can write, or ROS, this angle with this angle. When we add this angle with this angle, then we will get QOS. Okay, so this is the way by which you can prove this. So in place of ROQ, we add this angle SOR or ROS. You can write ROS or you can write SOR, this depend on you. ठीक, we add this SOR to both the side, LHS and RHS. ठीक, हमने दोनों तरफ इसको ऐड कर दिया. हमने ये SOR इसमें भी ऐड करा और SOR इसमें भी ऐड करा. ठीक है, हमने दोनों साइड ऐड कर दिया. आप SOR भी लिख सकते हो और ROS भी लिख सकते हो. You can write any of one. Now see this ROQ plus SOR. Now when we make sum of these two, we will get this entire angle. हमको ये पूरा एंगल मिलेगा. जब हम इस एंगल का इसके साथ सम करेंगे तो हमको ये पूरा एंगल मिलेगा. मीन्स SOQ या फिर आप QOS. You can write, या तो आप SOQ लिख लो या QOS लिख लो. So it means when we add these two, we will get QOS. So in place of this, we can write QOS, which is equal to, which is equal to, now what we have to write, POR. But in the proving, we don't need POR, so we divide this into two parts. Okay, we can write POR as POS plus SOR. Okay, we can write POR as angle POS plus SOR, and this angle SOR is over here. Now angle SOR became two angle SOR. You can write ROS. आप ROS भी लिख सकते हो, so don't confuse. ठीक, now this we move to the LHS side. तो यहाँ ये प्लस में था, it became minus. Now here we have two angle SOR or ROS, because in the proving ROS is written, that's why I am here writing ROS. ठीक, या ROS लिख लो या SOR लिख लो. Then move this to the RHS to the LHS side. It divide this. Okay, then you will get angle ROS equal to this, move to this place, half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is the proving.